Children, did you all ready with scale, pencil? All of you mute yourself. Mute yourself, everyone. Children, all of you mute yourself. Chaitra, mute yourself. Tanish, mute yourself. Nandan, everybody should mute yourself. Ishwari, mute yourself. Switch on the videos, everyone. Switch on the videos and mute yourself. Hemant, switch on the video. Mute yourself. Everybody should mute yourself. Tanish, mute yourself.
I am muted, miss.
Oh.
Background chala.
Hemant, mute yourself. Hemant. Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Children, all of you be ready with your journals, pencils, scale, sketch pens. I have told you red, blue, green. Who is that talking? Mute yourself, I told children. Yakub, switch on the video. Ishwari, Yakub.
Screen share.
Tanish, switch on the video, Tanish. Miss, you can, sir, start changing.
Okay. Numbers, block number 1.
Children, all of you open the block numbers, first page of your journal. All of you open first page of your journal and put the today's date.
Your screen is coming, ma'am.
No, sir, no.
Miss, can you see the screen?
Yes.
Where is coming, ma'am?
Children, all of you look at the screen. Look at the screen, everyone.
Miss Rekha, miss, are the children are visible on the screen?
Children, can you see the screen?
I mean, participants are coming on the screen or what?
Children, show me your digital thumb. Can you all see the screen? Yes, Miss. Children can see the screen. You can start.
No, what I am asking is on the screen. Is this clear or children are visible on the screen or what?
No, not children.
Okay,
No,
clear on the
clear.
video. Okay, that's it.
Okay.
Continue, miss.
Children, all of you look at the screen.
Hi, I am Mia, and this is my teacher Meena. She helps me learn new things every day.
Welcome to your maths class. Before we begin, remember to keep your journals open in front of you. Let's set a clear aim for today's class. You may already know how to count and write numbers up to 1,000 and more by skip counting. We have learned to add numbers to make multiples of 1,000. Finally, do you remember how to write numbers in the expanded form and their number names? Today, we are going to find out more about numbers. Specifically, we will learn more about adding or subtracting 1, 10, 100 and 1000 to a number. Now write in your journal, what is the aim of the class today?
Yes, children, all of you start writing what you are going to learn in this class. Write the aim of the class. Havish, before the class, you have to complete your lunch.
Comparing leaves.
Children, all of you write the aim in your book. Write the aim of today's class in your book.
I have written down what we are.
Miss once pause the video. Madhuri, miss, mute all and unmute me once.
Okay, miss. Miss, everyone is muted, only you are talking.
Okay.
Tanya is there. One, give me a second, miss.
Yes, children. Children, did you all write the aim of today's class? If you are done, show me your digital thumb. Yes. We shall move on, children. Miss, play the video.
Boys, I have written down what we are going to learn today.
Yes, children, the aim of today's class, adding or subtracting 1, 10, 100 and 1000. Miss, play the video.
Time for a quick activity. Let's get started. Take out a pencil, a ruler, and an eraser.
Children, all of you take out pencil, scale and eraser. Now we are going to do one activity. All of you be ready with scale, pencil and eraser. Yes, look at the screen, everyone.
Use a ruler to join dots to draw an abacus in the action section of your journal like this. Label the rods as O to show the ones, T to show the tens, H to show the hundreds, and TH to show the thousands place, like this.
Yes, children, all of you in the action part, draw an abacus tool like this using scale and mark ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. In the action part, all of you draw an abacus in the action part. Use scale, children. Don't draw with free hand. Use scale.
Jyoti.
Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. See down. You have to mark O, T, H and TH. Children, if you are done, show me a thumb symbol. Digital thumb.
Timer is taking.
Navya, page number 1, Navya, first block, numbers. Miss, you can play.
Let us now show the number 5,324 on the abacus. Draw 5 beads on the thousands rod, 3 beads on the hundreds rod, 2 beads on the tens rod, and 4 beads on the ones rod.
Yes, children, you have to draw the beads like this. 5, 3, 2, 4. We will read it as 5,324. All of you draw the beads see the number on the each place and draw the beads. Very neatly. Like that. See, ones place, tens place 2 beads. And next hundreds place 3 beads. And last thousands place 5 beads. Very neatly, children. Don't give any gap between the beads. Don't give any gap. If you are done, show me your thumb so that we will move on. Yes, Miss, play the video.
Let us now add one to 5,324 using the abacus. To add 1, we will draw one more bead on the ones rod to get 5,325. Write the new number below the abacus.
Miss, once pause. Yes, children. See, we are adding 1 to the number 5,324. I told you, be ready with red sketch. All of you draw with red sketch in one's place one more bead. In one's place, draw one more bead with red sketch. It will become 5,325. See, it is highlighted. Say, it is colored in gray. You can observe in one's place. See, up it is written 5,324 plus 1 is equal to 5,325. You need to write that one also in your book. Very good, Nandan. Good, Hasini.
Children, whoever is touching the screen and writing things, I can see their names so that I will remove them from the class.
Yes. Shall we move on, children? Yes, Miss. Play the.
Now, subtract 10 from 5,325 using the abacus. What is the new number? Write the answer in your journal.
Yes, children, if you observe 5,325 minus 10 is given. So, minus means you have to cut off one bead in 10th place. It is given as 10, no? So, all of you put a cross mark for one bead in 10th place. In 10th place, all of you put a cross mark for one bead. That means you are subtracting 10 from that number. Misplay. Yes. Yes, see on the screen you can see one cross mark.
Children, you please.
You can see one cross mark on 10th. Children, somebody is drawing on the screen. Don't do such type of actions. Cross one bead in 10th place. Now write what is the number you got. Now write what is the number you got. Let us check the answer. Let's play the video.
Mia, what is your answer?
My answer is 5,315.
That's correct. To subtract 10, we will cross out one bead from the tens rod to get 5,315. Your abacus now shows 5,315. Now add 100 to 5,315. Use the abacus to add. Write the answer in your journal.
Yes, now you can see, children, 5,315 plus 100 is given. So first we added for ones place and we subtracted for tens place. Now you should add for hundreds place. All of you add one bead in hundreds place. That means you have to draw one bead in hundreds place. Yes, there you can see one bead in hundreds place on the screen. Yes, there you can see the bead, children, in hundreds place. Now write what is your answer in your book, children. Now write what is your answer after adding 100 to the hundreds place. What is your answer? Count the number of beads. Let's play the video.
Mia, what is the sum?
The sum is 5,415.
Well done. To add 100, we drew one bead on the hundreds rod to get 5,415. Now, compare 5,315 and 5,415. At which place value has the digit changed and by how much? Write the answer in the action part of your journal.
Yes, children, if you observe 5,315 and 5,415, which place is changed? You have to write in your book. Which place is changed? Write in the action part, children. Yes, hundreds place, Aniket. You have to write in the action part. Very good, children. Very good. If you are done, show your digital thumb, children.
Mia, the digit at which place value changed and how?
The digit at hundreds place increased by 1.
Excellent, Mia. So we can see that on adding 100 to 5,315, the digit at hundreds place increased by 1. So we can say that when we add 1, 10, 100 and 1,000 to a number, the digit at ones, tens, hundreds and thousands place increases by 1. It decreases by 1 on subtraction.
Yes, children, you can see on the screen one table is given, addition and subtraction. If you see your left side, addition is given. So by adding 1, one's place will be changed. By adding 10, tens place will be changed. By adding 100, hundreds place will be changed. And by adding 1,000, thousands place will be changed. The same will be followed in the subtraction, but you should decrease one number in the subtraction and you should increase one number in the addition. Yes. We'll move on, children. Next.
Let's watch a cool talk video.
Yes. Cool talk video.
You
Listen
can
carefully.
Thanks. It's fun. What's happening? The digits are changing.
Tired?
I don't understand how the digits are changing.
As you ride, it moves and shows the distance traveled.
Is it like adding 1 to the number?
Yes. Remember, when we add or subtract 1 from a number, the digit at the ones place changes. On adding or subtracting 10, the digit at the tens place changes. On adding or subtracting 100, the digit at the hundreds place changes.
Does the digit at the thousands place also change on adding or subtracting 1,000?
Yes.
After 2,439, it will show 2,430.
Remember what comes after 9?
Yes. On adding 1 to 9, we get 10. The ones place becomes 0. The tens place increases by 1.
On subtracting 1 from 2,440,
We regroup as the digit at the ones place is 0. So the tens and ones place will change.
correct.
Now I know how the digits change.
Indian.
Yes, yes, children. See, when you get 0 in ones place or in any place, if you get 0, so if you want to add, if you get a 9 in ones place or tens place or hundreds place or thousands place, if you get 9 in any place, if you add 1, children, it will become 10. So if you add 1 to 9, it will become 10. So 0 will be remained in one's place and you should carry that 1 to the next place. Then the tens place will change, not one's place. When you get 9 in any place. So now, what did you understand after watching the Cool Talk video? All of you write in the analysis part. What did you understand from that Cool Talk video?
Analysis section of your journal. Write what you learned from the video.
Yes, children, what you have learned after watching the Sakshit? Are you playing Sakshit? Write down in the analysis part what did you learn from that video?
Don't touch the screen, children. There is no need of touching the screen.
Yes, children, if you complete, show me a digital thumb so that we will move on. Miss, play the video.
Today, we learned to add and subtract 1, 10, 100, and 1,000 from a number. We will now solve a problem. But before that, let's watch Cool Talk again.
Children, don't touch the screen.
Ride my bicycle. It's fun. What's happening? The digits are changing.
Okay. Okay.
Children, don't touch the screen.
Sudha miss.
Why are you touching the screen, children? If you go on touching like this, no easy class for you. There will be no easy class.
Why are you scribbling on the screen? Yeah? Don't touch the screen. Erase చేస్తారు మిస్ ఇంకొకసారి మళ్ళీ వచ్చిందో చూడండి. Please continue the class. And please don't talk. Listen to the video.
You can ride my bicycle. Thanks. It's fun. What's happening? The digits are changing.
Tired?
I don't understand how the digits are changing.
As you ride, it moves and shows the distance traveled.
Is it like adding 1 to the number?
Yes. Remember, when we add or subtract 1 from a number, the digit at the ones place changes. On adding or subtracting 10, the digit at the tens place changes. On adding or subtracting 100, the digit at the hundreds place changes.
Does the digit at the thousands place also change on adding or subtracting 1,000?
Yes.
After 2,439, it will show 2,430.
Remember what comes after 9?
Yes. On adding 1 to 9, we get 10. The ones place becomes 0. The tens place increases by 1.
On subtracting 1 from 440,
We regroup as the digit at the ones place is 0. So the tens and ones place will change.
correct.
Now I know how the digits change.
Time to apply what we
Children, who is touching the screen? Who is that?
This is one show with the children. Stop the class, miss. Stop the class.
No easy class for you if you go on doing like this.
we have learned to a real problem. Sally collected 164 coins in a bag. Her brother took 100 coins from her. How many coins are left? Write the answer in your journal. Your time starts now.
Yes, children, I'm reading the question. See, Sally collected 164 coins in a bag. Her brother took 100 coins from her. How many coins are left? So, 100 coins her brother took. That means you have to change the hundreds place. So, he took no, you have to subtract. All of you subtract 100 from 164 and write the answer in your book. In the application part. All of you write the answer in your book in the application part.
Yakub and Aniket, very good, but no need to type answers those many times, ma'am. One.
Yakub, just write in your book, write in your journal. That's all. No need to type your answers in the chat box. Just write in the journals.
Mia, what is your answer?
64 coins.
Good. To find the remaining coins, we will subtract 100 from 164. On subtracting 100, the digit at hundreds place becomes 1 less. So Sally is left with 64 coins.
Time for a quick quiz. Let's see if we remember what we learned in the class today.
Shade the bubble for the correct answer in your journal.
Yes, children, you have to shade the.
If we
You have
add
to
1
shade the.
and 2,353, the place value that will change is A. 1, B. Tens, C. Hundreds, D. Thousands.
Miss, once pause the video.
Yes.
Yes, children, this is the first question. In the application part, you can see A, B, C, D options will be given and you have to bubble the correct answer. So question, if we add 1000 and 2353, the place value that will change is, if you add 1000 to the number 2353, which place will be changed? All of you bubble the correct answer in your book.
I said no answers in the chat box. Your friends also have to think, right? So no answers in the chat box.
Yes, children, let us go to the second question.
Question 2. A and B are 1,346 meters apart. B and C are 100 meters apart. What is the gap between A and C? A. 1,446 meters. B. 1,246 meters. C. 1,346 meters. D. 1,146 meters.
Yes, children, I am reading the question. See, A and B are 1,346 meters apart. You can see on the screen one line is drawn and it is marked A, B, and the middle of those A and B you can see it is marked as C. BC is equal to 100 meters is given. So the distance between A and B is 1,346 meters. Distance between B and C is 100 meters, children. So it is in the middle of A and B. C. So you have to subtract 100 from 1,346 and bubble the correct answer in your book. Bubble the correct answer.
Rekha miss, we only have 2 more minutes left.
Okay, miss, class is done, no problem.
Oh.
Yes, did you all bubble the correct answer? Show me your digital thumb, children, if you are done. Show me your digital thumb. Yes, good.
In today's class, we learned about numbers. Now I can easily describe what happens to a digit in a number when we add or subtract 1, 10, 100 and 1000 from it. See you next time.
Yes, children, the DZ class is done. So, I think you all have enjoyed the DZ class. So, you should not touch the screen while the DZ class is going on. Yes, did you all write the correct answers? Okay. Okay, I gave you the homework in the morning session, children. I gave you the homework. You should also practice 4 and 5 tables today. And you have to complete block 6.
Miss, thank you.
S1, S2, S3. Okay.
Miss, thank you, Miss. Miss, thank you, Miss. Miss, thank you.
Okay,
Miss, thank you, Miss.